Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. Today we're delving into the fundamental aspect of project management, project scope management. Effectively, managing the scope of your project is crucial for its success. In this video, we'll explore what project scope is, why it matters, and dive into the key processes involved in project scope management. So let's dive in. Let's start with the basics. What is project scope? In context of project management, scope refers to the sum of all the work involved in creating project deliverables, which includes costs, time, skills, materials, and any other critical resources. It encompasses the features, functions, and characteristics that define the project's end result. Effective scope management ensures that the project stays on track, delivering what was promised and meeting stakeholders' expectations. The objective is the primary reason for the project. Whether your organization plans to create or update a product or construct a building, a solid objective helps ensure the project's success. This helps divide your plan into actionable milestones. You can create SMART goals to guide you. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-based. These are defined as specific. Be as specific as possible when detailing the project's objectives. Measurable. Keep the project goals measurable. Achievable. Use your available resources and your team's skill sets as guidelines to determine how quickly and how easy the team can complete the project. Relevant. The smaller objectives of your project should all be relevant to the primary goal. Time-based. Allow reasonable time frame for your project to be completed. Why does project scope management matter? Well, without a clear understanding and control of the project scope, you risk scope creep, the uncontrolled expansion of project scope. This can lead to schedule delays, budget overruns, and ultimately project failure. Proper scope management helps in setting realistic expectations, avoiding unnecessary changes, and ensuring successful project delivery. What are key processes of project scope management? The first step is defining the project scope. This involves working closely with stakeholders to establish a clear understanding of what the project will deliver. This includes identifying objectives, deliverables, constraints, assumptions, and acceptance criteria. The outcome is a detailed project scope statement that serves as the foundation for the entire project. The work breakdown structure is a hierarchical decomposition of the total scope of the work to be carried out by the project team. It breaks the project down into smaller, more manageable components, making it easier to plan, execute, and control. The WBS helps in organizing and visualizing the entire scope of the project. Validation ensures that the project deliverables meet the specified acceptance criteria. This is done through formal acceptance processes, which involve the stakeholders confirming that the project outputs align with their expectations. Validation is an important step in guaranteeing that the project remains on track and deliverables are meeting the quality standards. Scope control is all about managing changes to the project scope. It involves monitoring the project's work to ensure that all the scope changes are processed through a defined change control procedure. Controlling scope helps prevent scope creep and maintains the project's focus on its original goals. As we conclude this video on project scope management, remember, it's a dynamic and ongoing process throughout the project's lifecycle. In the second video on this subject, we'll discuss the challenges addressed by project scope management and some practical tips that you can use for a successful project. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more project management insights in the future and share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching.